If you were thinking of building yourself an e-commerce store on WooCommerce, well, it's about time. What's going on, guys? This is Val from PitchGround, and today I want to show you a little something that can skyrocket your sales. I mean it. A toolkit for WooCommerce that has some must-have tools to it, namely Sales Funnel Builder, Checkout Optimizer, Dynamic Discounts, Smart Checkout Notices, Smart Coupons, and Product Filters. All that is SellKit. Let's take a look. SellKit is the only funnel builder for WordPress that allows creating unlimited sales funnel with unlimited offers, all using a simple drag-and-drop builder. Alternatively, choose from ready-made funnel templates tailored for various businesses and use cases. Simplify and upgrade old-fashioned and boring WooCommerce checkout page. Remove checkout friction with simple checkout forms, express checkout, sticky cart, skip cart, and a wider variety of payment options. What's cool about SellKit is that it has autocomplete address capability. The form is validated on the fly, so there's no need to reload the form. Boost WooCommerce promotions with smart discounts, coupons, and notices. No more one-size-fits-all WooCommerce promotions. Offer customers highly personalized deals, coupons, and offers based on shopping behavior and demographic data. SellKit offers the widest variety of product filters with in-depth customization, variation swatches, and industry-leading response time to bring the ultimate filtering experience to WooCommerce. PitchGround is now launching SellKit is a lifetime deal, so don't miss out. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's keep growing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.